We're getting the tuning fork and bashing it on the wood, and when you bash it on the wood and put it near your ear, it like makes a really high-pitched noise, like this. We have a tube right here and a tuning fork. We're using the tuning fork and I'm against the table and putting it against the paper, and it makes this really weird sound. And we're also holding it in our ears.
When you put your fingers under the water with the scope in it, it sounds really cool. It sounds like someone banging on it.
So does the sound go through the water then?
Yes.
And then the stethoscope actually can catch it underneath there?
Yeah.